Hi guys, Kali Vlogs here. And as you can see on the thumbnail of the video, ang daming packages nun, but you're not seeing it here on the table because I already took the courtesy of removing all of it from the packages and not sorter boxes, removing all the bubble wrap and the external wrappings and everything para mas mabilis nga natin siya maipapakita. But for today's video guys, I wanted to unbox and show to you all of the Funko Pops that I bought during the month of November. So let's get started. Okay, so I just to let everyone know again, I've already removed all of them from the bubble wraps and all of the additional covers and such. So everything is already inside ng mga nakaganto, mga naka-paper bag sila, and all of them are not from Philbarsa, by the way. I think no figure was bought at Philbar's store. So, nilagay ko lang siya sa mga paper bags ko na excess dyan. And then, everything is actually inside sorter boxes from single to duo duo pack na sorter boxes. Kasi nga, unfortunately, still don't have a lot of shelves in my room or storages where I can put them, kaya ko sila nakalagay muna sa mga sorter box and everything. And then, I think next year pa-project ko na yan na ma-display ko na sila lahat. But anyway, sorry, I digress at napakwento ako randomly. So, I'll go through them as fast as possible kasi nga medyo madami din talaga to. Kasi nga, again, it's all of the Funko Pops that I bought for this month. And I guess we can start first yung mga individual items na hindi ko binili during the Shopee sale talaga per se. Or basta binili ko sila regular prices and from resellers. So, let's actually start with this one. So, etong figure na to guys, so this is from a reseller and I think you can already see it here, yung pangalan niya. And let me just put the sorter box on the side. So, the first figure that I wanted to show to you guys is Chirrut Imwe from Star Wars Rogue One. So, just a story on this one, while I take it out of the sorter box already, is that the figure, I bought this from a reseller through FB Marketplace, not FB Marketplace pala, through the Funko Pop Buy, Trade, and Sell na group. So, I saw it, came upon a post nung person na to, and then he was selling this figure along with a couple of Rogan figures na actually kailangan ko nga to complete the set, but unfortunately they're not inside the box. Mga OOB sila, mga out of box collectors na kasi sila, so wala yung box, so they're just on display, and I didn't really want those kinds of figures na wala na sa boxes nila kasi nga I'm more of a noob collector. It's a never out of box collector for those who don't know the acronyms. But anyways, so ayun, long story short, I bought this from a reseller and actually for a good deal of 300 pesos only. So hindi ko na siya mapass upon and alam ko rin naman na this is an authentic figure kasi I had to check it syempre. Alam naman natin, we have to do legit check sometimes. But eto siya guys. So that's the front, that's the side, and then here are the figures that you can collect from the back. So if you have been watching a couple of my videos in the past weeks, especially yung mga binili ko ng month of October na Funko Pops, you'd see on that video na I've also accumulated one or two figures. I can't fully recall, but I think it's two. So, ayan siya. And then, just to show you guys on this one, I'm only missing two figures to finally complete this set. And that is number 144 na Imperial Death Trooper and si C2B5, which is number 147 in this mainline set. And then, these last two figures are Smuggler's Bounty exclusives na sinama nila on the mainline set, which I already have also. So, I'm really hoping na by December, lalo na yung pagpunta ko sa Christmas Toy Fair, Mega Trade Hall in SM Mega Mall is coming December 13 to 15. Hopefully, I can close off the set and be able to buy them there. Pero if not, that will be my focus on 2025. But anyways, sorry I digress at haba na naman tayo just for a discussion of one figure. I do apologize on that one. And also apologize if you hear some background noises like mga nagka-cut ng metal sheets and stuff kasi yung malapit na bahay sa amin is still under construction. So I think I've been saying that in a couple of videos already, yung noise na yun talaga. So it's an ongoing project. But anyways, going back, so taking the figure out of the box, so as you can see, it's in that basic Funko Pop pose na nakatayo lang. But the nice thing about this is that Chirrut is holding yung staff niya Now, which is seen in the movie, and then you can see the details naman na meron siya on the costumes, like yung nasa arm left arm niya, yung suot niya sa harap niya, yung mga bullets and stuff. So, overall, this is a nice figure naman. And again, I'm very much happy that, you know, I was able to get this and for a very nice price, not so expensive. And again, looking forward na already to complete and finish off this set para din naman magawan ko siya ng video guys in the future for you guys to see. So that's just one figure. So that's from a reseller. So let me just put it there, and then I had to remove it from the box protector para hindi nagre-reflect kanina nung pinakita ko sale ng close-up. And then next, again, so these are all, again, nilagay ko lang lahat sila sa sorter box kasi nga I don't have place yet to put them on my shelf. So naka-storage pa sila at the moment. So the next one naman is this. It's also in a protector. I accidentally nilagyan ko siya ng protector. Dapat hindi pala muna kasi gagawin ko pa yung video na to. But anyways, so this is naman a figure that I bought during the Shopee 11/11 sale. So this is from Toys R Us na binili ko siya. And this is a short round from the Indiana Jones line, specifically the Temple of Doom na movie. And this is a Funko 2023 Summer Convention exclusive Funko Pop. So, ayun. So, it's a nice thing na stickered. Exclusive siya. So, let me just take it out of the protector already para at least mas pakita ko ng maayos. So, the quick story on this one is that, again, Shopee 11/11 sale. Originally, they're being sold as at 900 pesos or 1,000 pesos on the Shopee store. But because of 11/11 sale, bumaba siya ng 50% off. So I was able to buy this at 499 pesos only. So it's a very good deal. And again, I'm completing the, not completing, but trying to get all of the exclusives na lumabas for the Indiana Jones mainline. So ito na siya guys, box. And unfortunately, when this figure arrived to me at home, it already had this kind of damage. So I think you're able to see it here through the camera. So ayan siya, yung angat na yan. So yan. So it's being reflected by the light, nakikita nyo siya. Then again, these are the main line figures that you can get. So I already did a video of this. If you haven't watched that, go check it out on my channel guys. And then now, taking a look at the figure, you know, what I like about the figure naman is on that post na para may tinuturo siya. Though I just can't recall on which part, if this is yung nasa Shanghai pa sila, sa Shanghai, China pa sila, or nandun na sila sa may parang forest area sa India. I'm not sure, but again, it's a pretty nice figure. And again, a very good deal naman na nakuha ko siya for only 499 pesos. So that's the second figure. And then the last one for the individual items that I bought. So I'm tagging them as individual items kasi I bought them separately from different stores. So this is the last one. And this also came in a pop protector na standard nila. So this is from Geek PH, and definitely this is not one of those sale figures that I bought. So I literally bought this figure for just the original price. And again nga, para kasing paubos na yung stock nila for this one, and I needed it for the set. And that is Luke Skywalker for the Return of the Jedi na set. So I just wanna take it out of the pop protector also quickly. So just for this one, to let everyone know, is I'm already close to completing this set talaga. So let me just show you it already. So that's the figure, that's Luke. And then this is the back part. So you have here Princess Leia, you have the bush costume niya, Luke, you have Darth Vader, C-3PO, and Wicket. So for this set, I'm just missing Wicket. And hopefully on Toy Fair, I'll be able to buy the last figure that I need para din naman ma-close off ko na tong set before 2024 ends. So I'm that close already. So it's just one figure. So ayan siya, and I bought this at Geek PH pala at Shopee. So again, regular price, nothing too serious, just a figure that I needed to complete the set already so that I can close it off. So ayan guys, so these are all the 3 figures na pinakita ko na pala. And oh my god, I'm sorry. So taking it out of the box pa pala si Luke Skywalker. So again, he's in that simple action pose naman with the blaster pointed upward, about to shoot someone probably, and then with some slight cape action. And then I love naman na yung robe design niya, it's medyo not smooth, yung rugged yung itsura niya. Then, you know, pretty much that's just the, you know, the simple look for this figure. And overall, you know, I like it and it's a good condition naman. And again, came with the free pop protector. So ayan guys, so these are the 3 figures that I bought you know, separately from a reseller, from 2 different stores. And then yung mga next set of figures na kasi, these are all coming from 1 store only. So let's now quickly move on to those stuff. Okay, now that I was able to show to you guys yung mga figures that I bought separately from 1 store tapos 1 item lang from 1 store. So, ito namang next set na ipapakita ko, it's on this bag. And again, they're not from Philbars. So, I just placed them on the paper bags that I have available in my room. And then again, pag nakita nyo yung sorter box, no, I did not buy them at Big Boy's Toy Store. I just had extra sorter boxes and I had to put the items inside sorter boxes kasi nga, again, wala pa akong mapaglagyan. But anyways, dahil hawak ko na yung figure, etong 3 figures na to, lahat to galing sa Toys R Us. So actually, let's start with this first figure already. So the story with this one is that it was just recent I think this week or last week, I went to Toys R Us Market in Taguig, BGC. And then I stumbled upon these figures and surprisingly, I was shocked with the price on how much they're being sold for na lang. So the one that I have here in my hand is actually si Nick Fury. So this is the comics version for the Marvel 8 years na Funko Pop sa mga lumabas. So and this is a 2019 Fall Convention limited exclusive. So you'd be surprised that the original price for these figures is actually $899 or $1,000. So it's also similar to the short round na Indiana Jones Funko Pop that I shown just a while ago. But the price difference with this one is that instead of na parang 50% off siya, it's a lot bigger. So it's 70% off and I was able to buy this figure for just 350 pesos. So again, it's something that I did not want to pass up, and even though it's not necessarily something that I really wanted for my collection, but because it's a Marvel figure, it's a stickered exclusive, and then it's on that kind of price, sino pa ba tatanggi nun? Especially if you have like, not affinity, but you know, a deep appreciation naman for Marvel. And I do like Marvel and Marvel Cinematic Universe, Marvel Comics Universe, so Marvel in general, so I like them. And you know, I just auto pick it up kasi meron din akong other Marvel 80th figure in my collection. But anyways, eto siya guys, and then this is the back part. So ayan, pinapakita dito sa nag-first appear, etong Nick Fury na to. So it's from that comics. So I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, pero ayan siya guys. So I think it's written here, ayan. First appearance is at Sergeant Fury and this Howling Commandos #1. So ito yon. So the Howling Commandos, I believe this is yung mga nakasama ni Captain America sa the first Avenger na pelikula that was released back in 2011. Yeah. So ito yan. And then the next figure naman is, and just to give you an idea, this is going to be a Marvel one at that. So the next figure is, ayan, nakikita nyo na yung pangalan already. So it's an Iron Man Funko Pop, and it is the Model 39 Iron Man. So this is a glow-in-the-dark and a Big Boys Toy Store exclusive. So the story with this one is that it came out already years ago, and then I didn't really know back then kung anong klaseng model ni Iron Man to. So I'm not sure if this is the skeleton armor or probably it's based on the comics. I'm not sure. Kasi nakalagay dito sa back part niya is, ayan nga, the Invincible Iron Man na title, and then it has the Marvel 80 years. So probably it's from a comic book, but I don't know which comic book specifically or saan siya first appear tong costume na to. But again, you know, I bought it because it's in that kind of sale, and then you know, it's a Marvel figure, and it's actually a Big Boys limited edition exclusive. So Big Boys is a toy store here in the Philippines that sells also Funko Pops, and you know, to have this kind of sticker, it's kind of exclusive only to the Philippines. Kaya ko na din siya kinuha. So again, it's also 350 pesos only. Originally, it's at 1,000 pesos. And then the last figure naman na I think out of the 3 would be my favorite. So you can already see the name on the side.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Oh my gosh!
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Now that really sucks. Holy sh... I cannot curse. Kasi baka makancel ako ni YouTube dyan. or ma-censor ako. But may gulay, nahulog, tapos wala pang protector. I hate it. Nagkaroon to rin ng dent. Dang it! I need to be careful next time. Oh my God. I'm really sorry about that. Going back, it's like my heart suddenly stopped when it fell. My goodness me. But anyways, going back to the last figure that I wanted to show you, and I think you was able to get a good look at it already from the side. But here it is, guys. So that's Stan Lee, and this is from the Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 set. And this is also a 2019 Fall Convention Limited exclusive. So again, it's also the same price as these two, 350 pesos, 70% off at Toys R Us. And the reason why I wanted to get this figure is, again, it's to pay tribute to Stan Lee, because, you know, sadly, he's already passed away a couple of years already. He passed away in 2018, if tama yung year na naalala ko. If not 2018, it would be 2019. So, do correct me in the comment section if I'm wrong. Nasabi ko in the first place in 2018. Do apologize on that one. Ayun. So, it's a tribute pop for Stan Lee. And again, what I liked about this figure, though, it's because it's in a helmet. And speaking of which, before I proceed to, you know, taking all of them out of the box, so this is the set that you can actually complete for this line. So, this is all for the Volume 2 movie. So, you have the original gang plus Baby Groot and then Nebula. Tas Mantis also is here, and then Ego and si Taserface. Yeah, I remember this guy from that movie. When they remember Taserface! that scene, guys. Taserface! But, anyways, now looking at the figure though, let's start with Stan Lee kasi siya ay pinakahawak ko na rin. So looking at it, you know, it's very nice. The suit doesn't have much design and everything. And then, I love, again, that Stan Lee has shades here kasi dun sa movie meron siya. Of course, yung helmet talaga yung naging interesting figure dito. And I also apologize if you heard some noises of the dogs. Nagkukulitan lang kasi sila. But anyways, yun, that's what I really liked about dito sa figure na to. Yung helmet design na meron for Stan Lee. Kasi nga, it's an astronaut type. And then, looking naman kay Iron Man Model 39. So, it doesn't come with a stamp. There's not much anything here aside the fact that it's a glow-in-the-dark. So, I'm going to check na rin siguro, I suppose, later tonight. Alin dito yung nag-glow. And then, I love the touch of design and everything. It's simple, yet it's nice. And, you know, the reason nga na I picked this up, aside from the sale and everything, the sticker, the exclusive neto, is that you know, Iron Man is my favorite character din naman in Marvel. And then the last one here, probably the least like, is si Nick Fury. Na even though it's a stickered exclusive and everything, but taking it out of the box, you know, it's a nice thing naman yun, that he's holding a gun and it's like, it's about, wait, I'm about to shoot, or something like that na, teka lang, tignan muna natin yung ganun like that. And I know some might be wondering na bakit si Nick Fury dito ay maputi, whereas sa movie, he's black. So again, in the comics, Nick Fury originally is a white guy. So Marvel, you know, portrayed Nick Fury in the Marvel Cinematic Universe as a black guy. And I know I have nothing against it talaga. And actually, Samuel Jackson was able to play his role greatly as Captain Nicholas J. Fury in the movie. So, masasabi ko naman, it's nice eh. Again, it's not all the time na kung ano yung nasa comics, it's always 100% portrayed or copied in the Marvel Cinematic Universe kasi those are two very different things. But anyway, sorry, I digress. I think that's a topic that's on a better for a separate video, but I just wanted to share and show to you guys. So again, these are all the 3 figures that I bought at Toys R Us, in Market, in BGC. So, again, I do want to apologize. Yung background noise, ang lakas dahil may dumaan na truck. So, really sorry for that. But anyways, ito yung mga figures na nakuha ko for Toys R Us. And let's now actually proceed with the last set of bags. So, yes, you heard me right. Last set of bags here. And it's all just from one store. So, let's now actually go to that. Okay, so now that I was able to show you the figures naman na nanggaling sa Toys R Us, and I do like to correct something pala that I mentioned about the figures that I bought at Toys R Us. So I mentioned na regular price nila is 899 and then sinabi ko or 1,000 pesos. I do apologize on that kasi there is a 101 pesos 1 peso difference there. So it's supposed to be it's dapat 999 pesos or 1,000. But in this case kasi since they're 899 pesos or 900 dapat siya. So I just wanted to correct that out there. Ngayon, baka mamaya kasi mabasya ko for it. But anyways, now, going to our last set of items here. So all of these figures are actually from Bully Boy Collectibles and all of them were bought during the Shopee 11/11 sale. Kasi meron silang promo na lumabas na parang any 3 figures from the selected list for 1,111 pesos and then any 2 of the figures naman from that selected list for the same price din, 1,111 pesos. So I was able to buy 2 sets from the any 3 and isang pair from the any 2 for 11/11. So overall, I think I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 figures in total. But I think na, tama ba? 3, 6. Tama ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, I actually bought 3 sets ng any 3 for 11/11 and 1 set ng any 2 for 11/11. So it's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 figures. Pero 10 na lang yung mapapakita ko sa inyo kasi yung isang figure doon is napadala ko na siya sa girlfriend ko. So, nasa kanya na yon pero I'll just share it to you guys. So, yung figure na pinadala ko sa kanya is actually etong figure na to. So, this is from the Pop Ad Icons line. It's Toucan Sam and yun yung mascot nila for the Fruit Loops na cereal box. So, yun yung pinadala ko sa kanya. The reason why kinuha ko yun is because she wanted that figure particularly. Na she's not collecting Funko Pops but she just likes the figure because it's cute. But anyways, let's now actually move and dahil kasi medyo mahaba talaga to and I'm kind of expecting sana na hindi nalalagpas yung video ng more than 35 minutes because it's going to be that long again. Kasi I'm checking the other videos that I've had. But anyways, let's take a look first. So this is the any 2 figures from that selected list for 11/11. So this is the first figure and do note that all of them come in a boss protector and that's what I really love about Bully Boy Collectibles. So shout out to Bully Boy Collectibles kasi they always do amazing packaging and everything and make sure that the item is in great and well packaged. But anyways, so this is the first figure na kinuha ko doon from that any 2 and that is Reva the Third Sister and it's from the live action Disney Plus series na Obi-Wan Kenobi and this has the Funko Special Edition na sticker. And then, here naman pala guys, yung back figure, the back, yung mga figures pwede mo makuha sa set. So, ito siya. And I'm actually close na rin to completing this set, to be honest with you guys. I'm just missing one more and that is Obi-Wan Kenobi. Kung sino pa yung pinaka-star dun sa movie, yun pa yung wala ako. And it's actually a hard figure to get, just to let you guys know. So, it's just Obi-Wan that I'm missing for the first wave. And then I'm very close to completing the set. And then taking a look at the figure, I do like it naman na that Reva here is on the action pose and yun nga naka-open yung light twin sabers niya dito and this note guys na ito yung naikot na blades na nandun sa Star Wars Rebels. If you watch Star Wars Rebels, you probably know what I'm talking about. It's the lightsaber guys. Yan yung twin blade tapos yung nag-iikot siya na parang nagagamit na as a helicopter type. I'm just going to show to you yung scene guys para familiar kayo.
Helicopter, helicopter. Paracofer, paracofer.
So, ayan yun. It's from that scene. From the live action series. And then, yun nga again, if you watch the animated series, you probably know what I'm talking about already. But ayan siya. Sorry, I digressed. And then, the next naman na figure yung kapartner nito para makomplete yung any 2 for 11/11. So let me just put the sorter boxes. And baka magtanong kayo guys na ganun pala yung itsura ng sorter box ng Bully Boy. Actually, this is their sorter boxes before noon. So they actually put their tagging sa box, their art design. So ganyan na ganyan pa yung itsura. And I do have to say na medyo na-miss ko na rin yung ganito nila. Kasi ngayon yung mga packages na dumating nila actually, when this arrived, the items arrived, it's just on a blank sorter box na mga usual. So I kind of do miss na them doing this kind of thing, yung may printing pa nila. It has their branding. So I kind of missed that one. But anyways, the next figure to complete the set ng Any2 for 11/11 is this figure na kinuha ko. So this is from the live action naman na Disney Plus series, The Mandalorian. This has the Funko Special Edition and that is the Mandalorian Guard. So this is for the newest wave na lumabas ng The Mandalorian na set. Kasi ito yung mga figures that you can actually collect for this set. So you have their Mandalorian with the Darksaber, si Grogu with the new, yung egg na lagayan niya or yung crib niya. Then you have your Pelimoto with Grogu. You have Paz Vizsla. I think that's the Mandalorian Judge. And si Armorer. Na unfortunately, yung pa rin yung pangalan niya talaga dito. The Armorer. Kasi hindi pa rin nasabi sa movie ano talaga yung pangalan niya. But anyways, so this has the stickered exclusive. I can't recall ano yung actual exclusive niya, but I think it might be the Entertainment Earth exclusive. So ito siya. I really like it and everything. And then taking it out of the box, I do really have to say, I appreciate the artwork and design that Funko has done to this figure. And you know, I just have to say, when it comes to the Mandalorian figures na mga Funko Pops, they just really do it good, you know. I don't know what it is, but when Funko makes the Mandalorian costumes or the Mandalorian ng mga Funko Pops, it's just really hits different. It's a nice figure and parang ang hirap niyang i-appreciate na nasa loob lang siya ng box. So siguro time to time, I might take this out of the box along with the other Mandalorian type ng mga figures. You know, it's just really a very unique design. So ayan guys, so these are the two figures that I got for their promo during the 11/11 sale na Any2 for 11/11. So and there's actually a lot more figures there and talagang ito lang yung nakita ko na from that list na nagustuhan ko the most, and then parang the following days na lumipas kasi yung promo nila ran for November 11 to the 15th. Parang a couple of days have passed, then nakita ko lang na merong two figures din doon na sobrang ganda na ay sayang na miss upon ko, but it's okay kasi I've already spent so much for this month, so I think I might just move it to December, hoping na it would still be a promo there. But anyways, eto na sila guys. And then let's now actually proceed to the yung mga figures na nakuha ko from the Any3 for 11/11 na pairing. Not pairing, Any3 for 11/11, yung trio. Sorry about that. Okay, now that I was able to show yung two figures that I got from the selection list ng Any2 for 11/11, let's now actually proceed etong three sets na binili ko from the Any3 for 11/11. So again, etong mga 2-pack or not 2-pack pala, duo sorter boxes. So these were also from Bully Boy Collectibles, pero sadly hindi na ganito yung mga packaging nila. So again, Bully Boy Collectibles, if you're watching this video, I hope you guys do this again, yung mga ganito yung sorter box designs. Kasi honestly, I really love the design. Ang sarap ng pagka-distinguish na, oy, I bought this at Bully Boy Collectibles. But anyways, I just wanted to let it out there and hopefully Bully Boy Collectibles is listening. So let's now actually go to all of the figures that I bought during the Shopee 11/11 sale ng Any3 for 11/11. So there are two figures here kasi nga, it's a duo sorter box. Isa lang actually yung ipapakita ko dito kasi yung isa, I like to keep this one as a secret because that particular person might be watching this video and I don't want that person to know what this figure is that I bought also from that. So I'd rather keep it as a secret. So dito na lang siya sa side. Anyways, yung isa dun sa, let's just start with one set muna ng one set. So from that three items, so yung isa itatago ko na, so dalawa lang yung mapapakita ko sa inyo. Ito yon. The figure that I got is Sylvie. So this is from Loki Season 2, the live action Disney Plus series also. So ito yung figure na kinuha ko. And the reason na kung bakit siya yung kinuha ko again, it's that set that I'm trying to complete also. And if you do watch my previous videos also, I was able to get a couple of them already from this set, which I will lead to the next part, which is ito yung back. Ito yung mga figures that you can get from this set. So you have Loki, Mobius in the TVA suit, Sylvie, Miss Minutes, and Ravonna Renslayer in the 1893 World's Fair, and then you have Victor Timely in the 1893 World's Fair, and then you have Obi. So from this set, I already have, so let's count Sylvie already. Meron na ako si Renslayer, tsaka si Victor Timely, and si Mobius. So I already have 4, and I'm only missing Loki and Obi. And I do also want to aim them to be completed before the year ends. Hopefully, mabil ko sila both in Christmas Toy Fair sa Mega Trade Hall para at least matapos ko na to. And then I'm going to do a set review of this one sometime in first quarter ng 2025. So, ayan siya guys. And then, oh, sorry about that. Then let's take it out of the box and looking at the figure. So, it's a nice naman, nakaposition siya here, nahawak niya yung machete niya. And I like the color though. And then, yung hair design, it's very simple. It's nice. Outfit naman yung suot ni Sylvie. And then, what I did not notice here is yung earrings na suot niya actually. It's interesting kasi baka hindi ko lang siya napansin masyado when I was watching Loki Season 2. Yung, as you can see here, dito sa ear niya, kita yung earrings niya. And this is actually an Egyptian symbol. I kind of forgot ano yung tawag dito. Yung parang symbol na ginagamit sa basta it's an Egyptian mythology thing. It's a symbol from that specific history, I could say. Ayan, so that's the one figure. And then again nga, as I mentioned, na these were any 3 for 11.11. I-include na lang din natin here, let's say lang physically nandito yung Toucan Sam na Funko Pop na sinabi ko kanina na binigay ko na sa girlfriend ko, napadala ko na, kaya wala na siya dito physically para mapakita ko sa inyo. So yun, let's start with that first 3 set. Ayan na. So I'm just gonna put Sylvie na lang here. And then let's move to the second set naman. So let's go with this one. So apparently I do not have any more of those duo sorter boxes ng my Bully Boy collectibles design. So this is actually how they came in na, just blank. So let's go with this 2, and then let's just get 1 na lang from the next one para at least dire-diretso tayo. Kasi nga, I know for a fact that this video is already getting long and I do apologize for that one. So let's go with this 2 right here. So for the second set naman ng any 3 for 11.11, these are the 2 figures that I got. So this is Astro Train and Blaster. So this is from the Transformers 40 years na Funko Pop. And this is from the Pop Retro Toys line. And I do want to say na these are my first figures under that specific line, yung Pop Retro Toys, Transformers specifically. And the reason for this, kung bakit ko sila kinuha, is I do want to share din naman na I do actually like Transformers in general. So I've watched the 1984 or 1986 movie that came out. I've watched all of the Michael Bay films, the new ones na lumabas, even the cartoons na lumabas, both anime and English na created na animated shows for the Transformers. I've watched it, except yung mga di ko talaga nagustuhan na pangit, yung mga masyado ng childish. Anyways, ito yung 2 figures na yan na nakuha ko. Then I just want to show one para dun sa back part. So here are the figures that you can actually complete on this set. So you have Optimus Prime, Megatron, Astro Train, Blaster, and Laserbeak. So I was fortunate enough na itong 2 figures were already from that listing ng any 3 for 11.11. So kinuha ko na din siya. So I only need 3 more and I think I'll be able to complete them. If not, during my visit at Christmas Toy Fair, first quarter ng 2025, that's what I aim to complete this set already. Kasi ayoko pinapatagal na siya ng mga maabot ng months to years almost. But ayan, just to let everyone know pala, Astro Train is a Decepticon and then si Blaster yung Autobot. So this robot actually transformed into 3 types. So yung robot form niya, and then he also transforms into a train and a space shuttle. Kaya nga siya tinawag na Astro Train. And then in the cartoons kasi, Astro Train is a very big Decepticon kasi nga dun sa movie ng 1986 na isakay niya lahat ng mga surviving Decepticon. So you could say that Astro Train is a very big Decepticon on its own. And then you have here Autobot Blaster. So Blaster is yung katumbas ni Decepticon Soundwave na also transforms into a radio, yung malaking boombox, not radio pala, boombox. And then he also has yung mga cassette tapes na lumalabas. I kind of forgot ano yung mga pangalan ng cassette tapes niya. And then just, you know, to share it na rin, si Laserbeak yung isa sa mga cassette tapes ni Soundwave. But anyway, sorry, I digress and I had to share that one. Wala lang, gusto ko lang i-share. Let's actually take Astro Train out of the box. What I love about this, that etong mga head na to are really big para masabi mong Funko Pop sila. But I love the design that they've had, and you know, this is based from the original Transformers that came out 40 years ago. Yung original design sila, kaya ganyan itsura. But you know, I really love it, and I love the touch of violet na meron si Astro Train plus the red on his head. And I love it that they gave him yellow eyes here para stand out siya. Kasi in the movie, yung animated movie na lumabas, I think Astro Train there did not have this kind of visor but rather actual eyes niya. So, it's interesting na dito naman nilagyan siya ng visor and ito yung naging mata niya. So, it's a nice touch. I appreciate what Funko did this one. And again, it's based on the original art na lumabas talaga prior to the 1986 na movie. And then, checking naman natin kay Blaster. So, again, it's also the same. Yung head sizing niya kay Astro Train, it's the same. Malaki talaga. And then, you know, I love the part naman na detalyado siya na kita mo yung front part niya na yung lagayan ng cassette, yung mga pindutan. Tapos yung nasa legs niya, yung speaker parts, yung mga bilog. Overall, I really love this figure. It's a nice touch and you can really see the Autobot insignia properly. And ayun nga, dito naman, here's where it differs. Yung mata naman dito ni Blaster, it's pupils, whereas in the movie, it's also pupils din yung nasa animated movie, but it's not yellow. I think it was, if I'm trying to recall it correctly, it's blue. But I'll just, you know, show it here in the picture. So this is what Blaster looked like in the animated movie. And then ito yung pinagkopyahan nung kung saan nanggaling itsura ng Blaster. So, there's a bit of variation and difference from the original art na lumabas versus na ano yung lumabas na in the animated movie. So, ayan. So, these are the two figures that I got from the NE3 and sorry talagang humaba siya. Now, let's get just one figure from this line kasi nga it's NE3 for level 11. NE3 naman siya. So, yung next trio, papakita ko na lang afterwards. So, the last one that I bought on that set is this one, si Dr. Emmett Brown from Back to the Future. And this is the original Dr. Emmett Brown, yung number 50 pa yan eh. Kasi may lumabas na bagong wave, so I do not have any figures from that set, yung bagong lumabas. And then, alam mong re-released ito kasi bago na yung ilalim niya. Ganyan na yung itsura with the newer bottom part design and details and such. So, the reason kung bakit kinuha ko si Dr. Emmett Brown is because I already have Marty McFly in my collection. So, this is the only one that I need kasi dalawa lang naman sila dito sa set. And thankfully, now that I have this one, I can actually do a set review or at least a duo review of the Back to the Future na Funko Pop, which is itong si Dr. Brown tsaka si Marty McFly. So, abangan nyo na lang siya, guys. Sa labas yan mga around December. And abangan nyo yun. So, taking a look of this figure outside of the box, so it's very nice naman. And I do have to say, ang kapal ng legs niya. So, I'm not sure if this was intentional because of the puffy vest na suot niya. O yung puffy niya na suot dun sa movie. Pero ang laki ng legs niya dito talaga. And then he's, of course, holding the huge remote. Kasi nung nagte-test drive, nung tinetest niya if yung time machine would work, sinakay niya si Einstein sa sasakyan, tapos pina-travel, ni-remote control niya yung sasakyan para mag-drive ng 88 miles per hour para makapag-travel. So, it's from that particular scene in the movie. And it's from the first movie. First movie yon kasi it's Back to the Future is a trilogy. But, anyways, sorry, humaba. These are the the second set naman ng figures that I got from Bully Boy Collectibles. And now, let's actually proceed with the last three. Okay, now that I was able to show sa inyo guys yung second set naman na nabili ko, let's now actually proceed with the last one. So, it's still here inside the box yung isa pa. And this is one out of the three. So this is from the live action naman na Disney Plus series, Obi-Wan Kenobi din. And this is young Leia with Lola. So si Lola yung droid niya na hawak dyan. And this is a 2023 Funko Summer Convention exclusive. So it's very nice that, you know, Bully Boy Collectibles was able to include this figure among the selected list. So kaya talaga napadami yung bili ko kasi there were a lot of figures that I wanted na lumalabas. And actually, there were still a couple more, pero hindi ko na kaya dahil baka sumobra-sobra na talaga ako sa gastos. Kasi isipin nyo guys, ilang figures na yung napakita ko sa inyo. I think we're about to already 10 or 12. Kasi I'm counting kasi the other figures that I've already shown to you guys are on the floor. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See? There's already 12 and then ito pang 3 na figure. So total guys, I was able to accumulate 15 Funko Pops just for this month, and that is already close, just one pop away from tying dun sa total number of Funko Pops that I got during ToyCon this year. Kasi sa Toy Convention nung June, total figure count ko noon was 16 figures, and then ngayon it's 15, so it's just one, isa lang para pumantay noon. If I only bought siguro 2 more or isa pang set ulit ng any 3, lamang na, and this month would be the most Funko Pops that I've bought in just 1 month. But anyways, sorry na palayo ako. I just wanted to point that out. Ito pala yung mga figures guys that you can actually complete from this set. And this is the second wave. So you have Grand Inquisitor, the fifth brother, another version ng Obi-Wan Kenobi. You have Ned B, Young Luke Skywalker, and Purge Trooper. So for this one, I've just started to I've just started to get yung mga figures, and I only have one here in the set, and that is si Young Luke Skywalker. So I'm missing the rest. So hopefully I'll be able to, you know, chop down a few of them by pagpunta ko nga rin ng Christmas Toy Fair. Hopefully on the good deals like yung mga buy one take one, any 3 for gantong amount, so on and so forth, or discounted prices. But hopefully, let's see, we'll see. And then ayun nga, so those are the figures that you can get, and then this one is an exclusive. And now taking it out of the box, so it's nice naman that, you know, Princess Leia here, young Leia here has an object in his hand, kundi ang pangit kung people type lang to na wala masyadong pose and everything. And then yung wrap o yung bun niya is a bit different from what you now see in the present movies, or not present, yung rather yung naging adult na siya, so it's a bit different na yung hairstyle niya doon. So I think this is just one, yung isa lang na malaki, kasi alam naman natin in episode 4 she has those 2 yung buns niya na nasa gilid. So ayan, so this is the first figure that nakuha ko for the last set, and then the last 2 figures naman is eto, ipakita na natin. So they're from the same line and the same show. So this is from the Pop Animation. Sorry kung narinig niyo yung background na yun, yung kalampag ng bakal kasi this is steel. So the last 2 figures that I actually got from them is this one. So this is from Yu-Gi-Oh! And it's Yami Bakura and My Valentine. So this is for the waves na lumabas. Actually, ang dami na lumabas ng waves ng Yu-Gi-Oh! Funko Pops, and this is just the second and third figure that I've had for the entire Yu-Gi-Oh! Lines. And actually, just to share with you guys, then Yu-Gi-Oh! Is one of the things that I grew up when I was a kid. So I love buying yung mga cards noon. I even had techs noon. And yung mga other action figures, and even a tin box for it na ngayon ay currently pinaglalagyan ko ng mga actual Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards ko, because just to let everyone know, aside from Funko Pops, I do have a couple of items also in my room that are not just mostly Funko Pops. Kasi if you were able to see yung previous video na in-upload ko, yung comparing between the Black Series na Star Wars action figures and yung Funko Pop counterparts noon. So with this one, I also have Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards. I also have Lego, comic books, and so on and so forth. So I'm a really toy or collectible type of collectible kind of person na talagang hilig ko mangolekta ng mga laruan and stuff. But anyway, sorry, I digress. I just wanted to point that out also. So ito yung 2 figures na nakuha natin, si My Valentine and Yami Bakura. Now for the longest time na nakalagay siya sa Shopee wishlist, yung mga Shopee-like items ko, thank goodness na Bully Boy Collectibles have finally decided to put these two figures on that sale setup na Any3 for 11.11. And when I saw them, kinuha ko na. Wala nang dalawang pag-iisip. Just, I really wanted to get them now already. And then here are actually the figures that you can get. So surprisingly, I'm only missing one. And that is the Blue Eyes Toon Dragon. So hopefully, I'll be able to get the Blue Eyes Toon Dragon of Funko Pop this year. Para at least makomplete ko na agad yung set na yan. And then there's also one figure na I do want to get rin, which is the Pharaoh Atem. Pharaoh Atem. I don't know what's the correct name to pronounce it. If it's Atem or Atem. Basta yun yung Pharaoh dun sa show na is usually portrayed na kapag si Yugi nagiging Yami Yugi. So it's that one. That's actually the Pharaoh na nag-embody kay Yugi. So yun siya. And then let's actually check muna kay My Valentine. So what I love on this one is that Funko was able to match kung ano yung itsura nila sa animated show. So sa anime show, sorry, not animate. Well, it's also animated, but it's considered anime. But anyways, taking a look at the figure, I really like it na they gave the touch, yung hair design, everything, and that Mai is holding out a card, and then yung meron siya yung dual tingin niya yung dito. So I don't know kung anong part na ng show yun, if it was Battle City or Memories of the Pharaoh na art type sa show. Basta ito yung time na lahat na sila yung may mga dito na kayo naglalaro ng mga games noon. Pa naglalaro sila ng competitions or naglalaban sila sa isa. So instead na parang nandun sila sa not dual disc, yung parang table, ito yung virtual na nasa kamay nila. So dito lang sila nagaganyan. So it's cool talaga. And then next here is we have Yami Bakura. So taking a look naman at the figure, I do apologize for the background noise ng motor. Medyo sinadya pang magbirit dito sa tapat ng bahay. So annoying. Sorry about that. And another one, I really apologize. I sometimes really hate kapag nagaganon yung mga motor. Anyways, dito naman kay Yami Bakura. So ito, hawak niya yung isa sa mga 7 millennium items. Aside from the, yung suot ni Yugi na triangle, yung pyramid na necklace, Pegasus na Millennium Eye. So ito yung isa sa mga items naman niya hawak ni Yami Bakura. Yung parang, I don't know if yung tinatawag mo yung Dreamcatcher ba yung itsura niya, yung dating kasi dito. But anyways, ayan. So it's very nice. Simple naka-posing siya. Yung kamay niya, naka-reach out. And then yung hair talaga yung nagpapabongga kasi dito eh. And then you have some polo action, yung damit niya medyo nagpa-fly away, at ba? So ayun. So this is the last two figures that I got. So overall, that is all of the items that I got from Bully Boy Collectibles. Etong first 3, and then the next 3, yung isang fig. So that's 1, 2, 3. And then the next set of 3 items. And then eto, plus yung isa na napadala ko na sa girlfriend ko, and then yung isa na ayoko ipakita sa inyo kasi baka may makapanood ng video and I don't want that person to know it. So it's a secret na lang, guys. Basta kasama din siya dun sa Any3. And then yung 2 figures din na Any2 for 11.11 na sadly hindi ko na makuha because it's already on the floor. But those are all the figures that I got from just Bully Boy Collectibles. So I just get all of the items and put it here on the table, hoping na magkasya siya. So give me, guys, just a quick second. Okay, so I took it all out. I took it back here on the table, and then there is really a lot. So minsan magugulat ka na lang, kini-question ko na lang yung sarili ko na, oh my God, how did I just spend this much for Funko Pops? But honestly, I don't regret anything that I bought here because again, I do love collecting mga figures. And let me just, you know what? I think it was a bad idea that I had to take everything back here. So let me just rearrange them all. Yep, let's move them. Yep. Okay, we're now down to the last 3 figures. I'm just gonna put them all here kasi sa dami. Ayan. So that's all of the figures that I got during this month. And I really do have to say, grabe, ang dami ko nabili. But again, no regrets. I loved everything that I bought here. for this month. And if you're going to ask me which is going to be my favorite, honestly, everything I do love. But if I were to choose my top 3, it would have to be the Mandalorian Guard. And then I do have to say, I really like my Valentine kasi very detailed siya na figure. And then the last one would probably be si Stanley. So these are the 3 figures, you know, that out of everything that I bought, eto yung 3 yung nagustuhan ko the most because they're the most detailed, unique type of Funko Pops. Kaya ito yung top 3 choices ko. But do guys let me know in the comment section which among all of the figures that I showed for this video did you like the most. Comment them down below, and kung meron na kayong mga pinagbibili ng Shopee 11/11 sale, do comment them down. I do want to know kung kayo din ba ikatulad ko na ay grabe kong gumastos. But anyways, that's it lang naman guys for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so and turn on that notification bell para nga naman updated kayo sa uploads ko in the future. Like the video if you like the video, and of course, again, comment down below which of all the figures that I bought for this month did you like the most, and what other figures or what figures or items did you buy during the Shopee 11/11 sale. But before I close this video out, I do just want to remind you guys na palapit na actually yung closing natin for the raffle. Not raffle, yung giveaway natin ng mga Funko Pops guys. So, it would end by 11:59 PM on November 30. So, there is still time for you guys to join in. So, wag nyo nang antayin nyo guys. Mag-join na kayo. Get that chance to win one of the 4 figures that I will be giving away. Plus a few extra. Kasi nga nabanggit ko nga in my previous video, ano pa yung mga other things na ipapamigay ko, and I do have it here yung item, so I just want to show it pala guys. So aside from the 4 figures that I'll be giving away, 2 lucky winners will also be taking home one of this item. So again, so this is a Legion of Collectors exclusive na Two-Face na Doors. So this is a Funko product, and then also a Pine Size Hero na Legion of Collectors exclusive. So again guys, 2 out of the 2 lucky winners will be winning ito, aside from the Funko Pops na ipapamigay ko. So again guys, if you have not yet watched that video, panoorin nyo na yung video na yun guys, para malaman nyo ano yung mga figures na pinamimigay ko doon, yung aking ipapamigay pala rather, plus these 2 items. So again, the giveaway will be closing on November 30 at 11:59 PM. So wag nyo nang palipasin yun guys. So that's it lang naman for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and this has been another episode of Calivogs. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys.